This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to put money in Vanguard account. Start by logging into Vanguard, verify your identity, and locate the transfer or buy section to add funds. Link your bank with routing and account numbers, confirm microdeposits if required, and choose one-time or recurring transfers. Review contribution amounts, select investment options, and confirm the transaction to complete funding securely and efficiently. Linking a bank is straightforward and makes funding simple over time. After you collect routing and account numbers, add the bank in Vanguard's funding or profile area, then confirm via microdeposits or instant verification. Choose whether to enable recurring transfers and set your amount and cadence. Verify limits and timing so you know when funds will settle and be available for investing. Vanguard offers multiple funding methods to fit different needs and timelines. ACH bank transfers are low cost and ideal for routine investing, while wire transfers speed availability for immediate trades. Mobile deposit handles paper checks conveniently, but may take longer to clear. Review any limits or fees associated with each method and align your choice to your investment plan and urgency for deploying cash into funds or ETFs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.